special guest, and please do follow us also. I never gone with the wind, just let it flow, let it take me where it wants to go, till open the door. There's so much more I'd never seen it before. I was trying to fly, but I couldn't find wings. But you came along and you changed everything. You lift my feet on the ground.
In this river that I've been washing my hands in forever.
Para siya lang. Oh.
Ba't siya bumaba?
Ayaw niya daw. Oh.
Thank you.
Oo.
Lakas.
Lakas naman ito. Gusto mo naman, B? Matulog na tayo, guys. B, tara, matulog na tayo. Magpupulsa na ako. Yay!
Happy birthday!
Ayan. Dapat may pakita.
Uy! Si Leandro nagbagsak pa ng ano.
Hindi daw yan sa kota mo talaga.
Wala, isa pa, Leandro.
Ay, isa pa ba?
Hindi ko
Wala
na-screenshot.
na, sorry. Yun na yun. Wala na.
Ayan, thank you so much. Again.
Dito ako sa...
So, ayun nga mga sis, before that, gusto ko lang po i-share sa inyo yung mga bumati sa akin. Oh, di ba guys? Oh, di ba? Ang daming bumati, guys. Oh my God! So, for now, that's all. So, abangan nyo na lang po sa aking next vlog ang mga kaganapan sa aking birthday. So, bye-bye! Thank you sa support! I'm 24!
Happy birthday sa'yo, Shai.
Okay, so happy birthday sa'yo, Shaira Husay.
Happy birthday, Shira de la Torre. Happy birthday.
Background Brothers, pabidi po. Shira o Shaira? Shaira? Shaira de la Torre. Igan ni Marta de la Torre. Oh, baka naman kapatid mo siya. Pasensya na kasi nagpapaato. Ala na ako kailangan pang...
Alright, happy birthday to you. Sana ay masaya ang birthday mo today at sana masarap ang handa mo. Bigyan mo naman ako ng lumpia. Favorite ko yun. Ayan, ingat ka lagi. God bless. And always be happy. Yes, always be happy.
Happy birthday, Shaira de la Torre.
Shaira de la Torre. Sige, record mo, Shaira. Let's go. Shaira, let's go. Record lang, ha? Shaira ba? Shira. Aish birthday. Ang wish ko sa birthday mo, marami pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo. More blessings, more prosperities, more abundances to come into your life. Happiness and long life. And keep it up.
Happy birthday, Shira.
Happy birthday, Shaira de la Torre.
Happy birthday, Shaira de la Torre. It's 546. I hope you have...
Shaira de la Torre, more birthdays to come.
I hope you have a blast and I hope na you will have the best things in life.
And congratulations.
And to your birthday, more birthdays to come.
Yes, Shira. Hi. Happy birthday, Shira. I hope you had fun on your birthday. And God bless always. Love you.
Hi Shira, this is Poppert. Happy birthday sa'yo at enjoy mo yung birthday mo. God bless.
Happy birthday to you, Shira. I hope you're having a great day. Love you. Mwah.
Birthday, Shai.
Hi, happy birthday, Shaira Josie.
Happy birthday kay Shaira De La Torre. Happy birthday, Ading. Wish you more birthdays to come. Pasensya ka, girl, ang ate. Nag-i-impake kasi kami.
Happy birthday, Shai.
Happy birthday.
Si Shaira De La Torre. Okay, sige. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Shaira.
Dear Ate Shaira, binabati po kita ng isang maligayang kaarawan. Ate Shaira, sana masaya ka sa iyong araw na ito sapagkat ikaw ay pinagpala. Isang minutong katahimikan para sa birthday ni Ate Shaira.
Kita sa aking palad ang iyong pangalan.
Ate Shaira! Happy birthday sa'yo! Enjoy your special day with your family and friends! Sana po, masaya po kayo sa araw ng birthday ninyo kahit kausap po kita! Ingat po kayo palagi! God bless you! Happy birthday! Ayan na, sabi ko sa'yo, happy birthday mo ha.
Hi Ate Shaira! Din na hinintay mo. Ayan. Happy birthday tayo. Ayan. Ang tanging hiling ko lang tayo ay mahaba ang buhay mo. Oo, kan. More birthday to come. More candles to blow. Ayan. More dream come true. Ayan. Sana mahanap mo na ang Tony Labrun ka ng buhay mo. Ayan. Mag-ingat ka palagi. See you soon, ate. Love you. Ingat ka ha. See you soon. Namiminta kita.
Happy birthday, Shaira.
Shaira De La Torre. Happy birthday to you.
Hi! Say hi! Oh, hi! We would like to greet you a happy birthday and ingat ka dyan lagi. Happy birthday again!
Birthday. Kaya mahalo ka sa Boy Iloblada.
Happy birthday, Nene! Sana makayuan ka sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday, Ne!
Happy birthday, Ne! Love you!
Hi Ate Shai, happy birthday and sana marami pang blessings po dumating sa'yo and ayun, happy birthday and I love you. Yorn.
So, hi sis Shaira. So, ano bang meron ngayon? Hindi mo naman ngayon mansari, anniversary, or whatever ever. So, ano bang meron? Hindi ko naman kaarawan. So, char, biro lang. So, today is your birthday. So, I'm here in the front of you to speaking up kasi nga, ang layo natin sa isa't isa. So, I'm here in Antique, nandiyan ka sa Manila. So, mag-celebrate ka ng birthday mo na without me and without our family. Okay lang yan sis, but someday magkakasama din tayo ulit, okay? Happy birthday sis. So, my wish for you is more birthday to come and more candles to blow. Especially, have a good health and always remember that we always love you and I love you very much. So, my big wish for you is sana nga siya na yung the one mo. Oh my God, sana all may the one, no? So, congrats sis, nga nahanap mo na siya and palagi ko yung ni-wish na sana nga siya na talaga yung the one mo. So, para maging masaya ka naman. So, actually, masaya ka naman talaga. So, that's all sis. We love you very much and I miss you. Happy birthday sis.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shaira! Happy birthday, enjoy, and God bless you. Love.
And happy birthday sa'yo, Miss Shaira. More birthdays to come. At syempre, enjoyin mo yung day na to. Dahil ito yung araw na pinanganak ka. So, enjoy. At huwag mo kalimutan, syempre, na mag-pray palagi para sa kinabukasan mo at sa mga kaibigan mo at syempre sa pamilya mo. God bless sa inyong lahat. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Shaira! God bless you!
Hi nang Shaira, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and good luck sa journey mo and mahapit ko sa inyo nga kumo nga ga-improve kita. Good luck lang sa imo sa Manila and happy birthday again, Shaira.
Happy birthday to you, Shaira De La Torre. God bless you more. And I wish you more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Shaira De La Torre. Happy birthday.
What is that?
Shaira De La Torre, happy birthday sa'yo. Ingat always.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Shaira. Enjoy your day. God bless you. And more blessing to come. And see you soon. Ingat ka palagi.
Hi, Shaira. Birthday mo daw. Ako, happy birthday sa'yo ha. Maraming salamat sa love mo, sa support, at sa iyong understanding and patience. Well, shoutout sa iyo at shoutout sa mga Royals. Thank you so much, Shaira.
Happy birthday, Shaira.
Sawadee krab. Hi, Shai. Happy birthday. Wishing you a loveliest morning, noon, and night on your special day. Wishing you more birthdays to come and yeah. Kung sasabihin ko, bye-bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Shaira. Bye-bye.
Shaira, tama ba? Shaira o Shira? Happy birthday, more birthdays to come, and enjoy your birthday. God bless you.
Happiest birthday to Shaira Junsay, and ingat ka palagi, and yun lang po.
Hi Shai, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. Continue your dreams, continue your vlogging, and enjoy your day. Keep safe always. God bless you, and I miss you. Mwah.
Hi Shaira, happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo.
Happy birthday!
Hello Shaira, happy birthday to you, and I wish you more birthdays to come, and God bless you and your family. Stay happy and stay safe always. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you, Shai!
Happy birthday, Shaira! God bless!
Happy birthday kay Shaira Junsay. Sana masaya araw mo, sana love ka ng crush mo. I love you.
Shaira De La Torre, happy birthday. God bless you and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shaira Jai.
Shaira, happy birthday sa'yo. Wish you all the best in life. More birthdays to come. Stay healthy, stay safe, and mag-ingat ka palagi dyan. Yan. Happy birthday!
Hello, Shaira Victoria Jinsay. Happy birthday sa'yo. More birthday to kami. Palagi kang mag-iingat.
Hi, Shaira Jinsay. Happy birthday sa'yo. And ayun, God bless you. And more birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Shaira Husay!
Bring on disaster.
Happy birthday, Shaira De La Torre. Happy birthday!
Hey Shaira, this is Big John. Just want to greet you a happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Thank you for the love and support, and I hope to see you soon. Peace.
Happy birthday to you, Shaira De La Torre.
Happy birthday.
Oh, di ba? Ang daming bumati, guys. Oh my God! So so excited. So, for now, that's all. So, abangan nyo na lang po sa aking next vlog ang mga kaganapan sa aking birthday. So, bye-bye! Thank you sa support! I'm 24!
Alam niyo ba guys kung paano ko nakuha yung mga featured meetings? So, ayun nga. Nagko-comment lang ako sa mga live stream nila. Oh, that's my secret.
Ayan nga mga sis, tapos na po ako mag-live. Ayan, so, thank you po sa mga pumunta guys at naka-join sa akin live stream guys. So, hope you enjoy guys and thank you din po sa nagbigay ng mga virtual gifts. So, ayan. And, mag-i-edit pa ako ng vlog para ma-post ko to at mauna to guys. And, ayan. So, ang fresh ko pa ngayon. Charm. Pressure. Ayan, so, thank you guys, and happy birthday to me, and mamaya po ay nasa Alabang Akesh. Gala lang tayo sa birthday natin, wala tayong ka-date. And bye guys, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye, God bless.